Here we have created one database, myTestDB. I have switched to that particular database using use myTestDB. Now I am going to create a table inside this particular database. Before that, we can see any tables are present in this particular database. We can use command show tables to see any tables present. So sorry for the spelling mistake. Show tables, empty set. Okay, there is no table present. Okay, you can imagine database is a book. A book can contain multiple pages, and each and every page you can create tables. Table contains rows. A table row contains information about a particular entity. Okay, it can be a product, it can be customer, it can be an order. What data we want to store. Okay, here we are going to see how to create a table. To create a table, we can use SQL command create table, name of the table. For example, I am providing it as product. This is the basic signature. Okay, here a product can have many attribute. Okay, it has a product ID. Okay, I'm just providing it as PID. And what is the type of that particular field? I am providing it as integer. Okay, and product name, we can provide any name. So product, so I am providing the field name as p name, and its type is, I am providing it as varchar. Varchar is a data type that is called as variable character, and the maximum size of product name is, I am just providing is 50. Okay, and product has price information. Okay, price I am providing that is also int. Okay, so this product table contains this many columns, 1 2 3 columns. First column is product ID, then product name and product price. Okay, so we have created a table. This is a way to create a table. Okay, and now if we use the command show tables, we can see one table present. Okay, next we will see how to see the structure of a particular table. Now here we have created a table. If we want to see the structure of a table, we can use the command desc, describe. Okay, name of the table is product. Okay, semicolon. So this is the structure of the table. So it has PID, p name and price. This is the data type of corresponding field. So all the field except null values, it is all the fields are optional. So I hope you got an idea about how to create a table and how to see the structure of a table in MySQL. So this same thing can be applied for any database. Only thing is that we have to see, while creating the table, we need to provide type here, right? Okay, so each and every column has a respective type. Here we have provided data type for these columns. We can check the documentation to see what are the different data types supported for different type of columns in the table. So this is the MySQL database reference manual. Here we can see different type of data supported by MySQL. Okay, numeric data type itself contains different type of integer, small integer, decimal, numeric. Okay, string data type. Okay, here character, variable character, binary, var binary. There are so many data types are supported. Okay, so one of the most commonly used is varchar. Okay, if you want to store a large binary container, we can use blob. Okay, blob text, binary large objects. Okay, we are not discussing each and every individual types here. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea about there are different data types for integer, string. There is data type for date time. Okay, if you want to store date time, There are data types like date, time, timestamp. Okay, there are many data types supported by MySQL. If you are using some other database system like Oracle or DB2, we have to check the respective database reference manual for what are the data types supported. Check the database documentation and we can provide the appropriate data for respective columns while creating the table structure. Okay, I hope you got some idea about how to create table and how to see the structure of a table